Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will explain how to connect Visual Studio 2012 reporting services tools to SQL database. To do this, we need to install Visual Studio 2012. When installation is done, we need to download and install some additional tools. First, we need to download and install Microsoft.NET Framework version 4.5 from Microsoft.com. Here I will select language, for me it's in English, and click download button. And downloading will start. When download is done, I will install this Microsoft.NET framework. After that, we need to download and install Microsoft SQL Server Data Tools Business Intelligence for Visual Studio 2012 from Microsoft.com. Again, select language, for me it's in English, click download button, and downloading process will start. When installation is done, we need to download and install ODBC connector. Here we need to be careful which version we will download and install. This 32-bit or 64-bit doesn't mean which operating system we have on our PC. This means which version of Visual Studio 2012 we have. For example, I'm running 64-bit operating system on my PC, but my version of Visual Studio 2012 is for 32-bit operating system. In this case, I need to select and download Windows for 32-bit operating system ODBC connector. I will click download button and downloading process will start. When installation is done, we need to click on start button, in search bar write ODBC, and click on Data Sources ODBC. ODBC Data Source Administrator window will open, then click Add and select MySQL ODBC 5.2 ANSI driver. Click Finish, and here we need to put information about our database. Data source name, localhost. I will copy this for description and also for IP server. User is root, and I will write password and click test button. If username password combination is correct, this window will appear. I will click OK. And then in database, I will select my default database, that is test, and click OK. In this list, I see that new source is created, and I will click OK and finish this process. Now we can start our Visual Studio 2012. Click on File, New Project, and in Business Intelligence, select Report Server Project. Click OK. And here you will see shared data sources, shared data sets, and reports. On shared data sources, right click and select add new data source. Here in name, you can write, I will write production. In type, I will select ODBC. And in connection string, I will write DSN equal local host and click OK. Now we need to test, is this connected in correct way. I can test creating basic report. I will click on reports, right click, add new item, select report wizard, click add, next, select shared data source, that is production, because I created new data source called production, click next, and here I will write query string to test my database. In MySQL Workbench, I will show you first what I will test. This is my local host and this is test database. I have in test database, I have table called person, where I have dates and first and last name of person. And when I execute this string, I get these informations. I will test this string now in my Visual Studio 2012. I will copy, and here I will put this string. Click next and click finish. Report name, I will put test report. And click finish. And here I will click preview button to see is this okay. And here I can see that my Visual Studio 2012 is actually connected with SQL database because informations from database are present in this test report. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Links for MySQL ODBC connector, Microsoft SQL Server Data Tools, and Microsoft .NET Framework can be found in the description of this video.